Narayana Murthy founded Infosys Technologies Limited, and it is the first Indian company to be listed on an American stock exchange. There is no doubt that N.R. Narayan Murthy is one of the greatest Indian entrepreneurs of contemporary time. Infosys is one of the major IT companies which is providing business regarding consulting, information technology and outsourcing services. His passion, hard work, and strategies are the main components that helped to bring the success of this company. Childhood life. Murthy was born in the year 1946 on the 20th of August in Sidlaghatta, Karnataka in a middle-class family. His uncle used to work as a civil servant and Murthy's father wanted him to follow the same line. But he already had some other and better plans, and he always wanted to pursue engineering because that was the new thing in India at that time. Student life. After completing his school, he prepared for entrance examinations of engineering and then appeared for the entrance exam for the Indian Institute of Technology and cleared it with a high rank and also got the scholarship. But the scholarship was not enough to complete the study properly, but his father was unable to afford the fees. Therefore, because of this situation, he joined a local engineering college, the National Institute of Engineering, and completed his graduation in the year 1967 with an electrical engineering degree. After that, he went to the Indian Institute of in Kanpur and earned a master's degree in the year 1969. During his course, he got the chance to meet with a famous computer scientist from the US, and after the communication, Murthy was completely impressed. This actually inspires him to pursue his career in the IT sector in the future. After that, because of his grades, he was literally flooded with job offers, and there were a few numbers of computer science graduates available in India. However, he rejected these entire offers and joined the Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad. Personal life. He is married to Sudha Kulkarni, who is a renowned social activist, and along with that, she is also a published author in Kannada and English. They have two children, a son and a daughter, namely Rohan Murthy and Akshata Murthy. Working life. At the IIM, Ahmedabad, he took up the position of a chief systems programmer. There, he used to work on installing the time-sharing computer system. By installing this, he is making IIM Ahmedabad the third business school in the world after Harvard and Stanford in a time-sharing system. He used to work over there for more than 20 hours, and the work at this college was hectic but it completely fulfilling, and Murthy learned a lot of things from there. In fact, today also he feels that joining IIM was the best decision of his life he had ever made in his career life. In the year of 1970, he worked overseas, and the year when he spent time in Paris that was a great influence on him. There he changed his mentality and concluded that passionate capitalism and large scale of creation of jobs was the only way of removing poverty from India. From the Western countries, he learned a lot, but he always wanted to settle down in India and wanted to start a company in his homeland. This is why he started a company namely Softronics. However, his strategy didn't work and it failed after just a year and a half. Therefore, at that time he joined the Patni Computer System in Pune. But he always wanted to be an entrepreneur, so again he teamed up with 6 other software professionals to establish another company, Infosys Consultants PVT Ltd. with a capital of 10,000 rupees in Pune in the year 1981. But later in the year 1983, the headquarters of this company shifted from Pune to Bangalore. He became the CEO of Infosys and he served his position with utmost honesty from 1981. In 2002, the co-founder of this company Nandan Nilekani succeeded him as a chairman. In 2002, he became the chairman of the board and later in 2006, he became the chief mentor of this company. In the year 2011, he retired from this company with the title of Chairman Emeritus. He has served as a director on the boards of DBS Bank, Unilever, and ICICI. Along with this, he serves several institutes as a part of their advisory board and council such as Cornell University, the UN Foundation, and Indo-British Partnership. In the year 2013, he returned to the company as an executive chairman and additional director because without his presence, the performance of Infosys suffered. But later in the year 2014, he left down from this position. He mostly has known as a co-founder of Infosys Ltd. And along with this, he is one of the major players of India's largest IT services company. Infosys became the first Indian company to be entered into the list of Nasdaq under his leadership. Not only that, but it also became the first Indian company with revenue of $1 billion per year. Achievements. In the year 2000, he received the Padma Shri Award for his distinguished contribution to the industry. Padma Shri is one of India's fourth highest civilian awards. Then, in 2008, for his exceptional services to the information technology in India, he received the second highest civilian award of India, Padma Vibhushan. In 2013, he received the Sayajiratna Award and he was the first recipient of this award. Conclusion. The journey from coming from a simple family to become the CEO of Infosys was not easy. He faced failures, rejection, but with his passion and interest to know new things helped him to move forward. His first company failed, but that was not the end for him. He waited, gathered some more information about the industry and then again went there to fulfill his dream. Due to his passion and distinguished contribution to the IT sector helped him to win some prestigious awards. Thanks for watching the Book Icon YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share for more information videos.